Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse. Today I am going to be resurfacing these two coasters. They're coasters that I rescued from my mum's house when she was downsizing. And as you can see, I've already put a base of liquid white around them, and trying to be really careful because they've actually got what's that stuff, like a matting underneath already, so I really don't want to make it too messy under there. So I know this sounds really weird, but I'm actually going to do a mallet smash on these, and a mallet smash because they're actually ceramic, and I've got them sitting on top of one of these tins. So what am I using? I am using, my brain has gone numb, this colour blue. I think this is the emerald green. I can't remember what this one's called, and I can't find the pot right now. But they are both of the Decor Art Dazzling Metallics. And I'm going to put a drop of this undiluted, what's the worded? Unoiled, unflow-trolled, everything in the middle before I do the splash. So this is probably going to be way too much paint. I'm going to put a little bit less on that one. Put a little bit more green in the middle of that one. And I know you can't really see what I'm doing. I apologise for that. A little less green in that one, I think, maybe. And then, it's got a, what's it on it? I have to use my teeth for that because the gloves will get upset with me. So I want to use this bit rather than unscrewing the whole lid so that I can get just a little bit out. As you can see, it's definitely thicker, but it's pretty runny. They're quite liquid, these ones. So let's move one out of the way and use our hammer smash. 1, 2, 3. That's better. That's more what I was after. There we go. And now move that one out of the way. See, this one did get splashed, even though I moved it, it still got splashed, so everything got splashed actually. Just wiping off the excess. Ah! Oh, that was super duper. Oh my goodness. How does it get any better than that? Oh, crikey. That was a bit forceful, Michelle. I don't know if I can zoom you in over there or not. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at this beautiful painting, still drying, and the splotch is right there on the edge, so it can, that's actually dry, that part, so that will wipe off. Let's do that now. Back in a second. Okay, so painting saved. And the walls and windows can wait till after the video. How does it get any better than that? Alright, well, I really do like these. Let's have a look. So this one's actually, where's you? You can, it's actually gone back down to the ceramic at the bottom there, which I'm not excited about. But I don't want to disturb the rest of it because it's so beautiful. So I'm gonna zoom you in so you can actually see what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna pick up some of this white off the bottom and just clean finger each time, dab, 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 because we don't want to actually be down to the ceramic, so that when we clean it, which we will need to do because I'm planning to resin these, if the if it's right the way through to the ceramic, anywhere around, the water gets in through that little tiny gap underneath, and pop goes the weasel. So let's give this one a bit of a blast with the heat gun. Pop any bubbles. Add a bit more paint in there too. Kind of mix it around so it looks like it's supposed to be there. There we go. Alright, move that one out, this one back in. This one has also got a heap of the down to the ceramic, so it's alright, heat gun time. Actually a little bit unexcited about this big splotch, so I'm gonna just put a blob of white in the middle there. And kind of mix it a bit. Alright, so let's bring, oh, you didn't see half of that, sorry guys. Let's bring the other one back in. And zoom you out just a fraction. There we go. So there we have two hammer smash tiles. How does it get any better than that? And what else is possible now? What other magic can I create? I have some plans up my sleeve. I have some projects already underway to share with you soon. So if you haven't subscribed and you want to know what those projects are, hit the subscribe button. Check out that hammer, that's cool. And smash the subscribe button, ring the little bell, and come and play with us for more magic and possibilities with paint. And yeah, I look forward to playing with you again soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.